Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open PowerShell as administrator on your Windows 10 PC. For this video, I will guide you with a total of 6 methods and you can use either according to your choice. So let me start without any delay. First one is through Run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and in the box type PowerShell and from your keyboard press Ctrl Shift plus Enter at a time. When Windows will prompt, click Yes. This will open Windows PowerShell as an administrator on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through WinX menu, that is also known as Power menu. For that, right click on this one Start button. Select here Windows PowerShell admin. Click Yes when prompted. This will open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. Next one method is through a Start button. For that, click on this one Start button. Type here PowerShell. Right click on this one PowerShell entry. Select Run as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. This will open PowerShell as an administrator on your Windows 10 PC. Next one method is through search box. For that, click on this one search box at the taskbar. Type here PowerShell. In the search results, right click on this one Windows PowerShell entry. Select Run as administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Like this, you can open PowerShell. Next one method is through Task Manager. For that, right click on the free space on the taskbar. Select here Task Manager option. In the Task Manager window, click on this one File menu. Select Run New Task. Type here PowerShell. Then check this one option, create this task with administrative privilege and then click OK. This will open Windows PowerShell with administrative privilege. Next one method, and this one is last one method, that is through PowerShell. You can also open Windows PowerShell as administrator through PowerShell. For that, click on this one Start button. Type here PowerShell. Click on this one PowerShell entry. This will open with a list privilege, normal privilege on your Windows 10 PC. Here, copy and paste this one command from this one video description. I will provide the link. Just copy and paste this one command and then press enter on the keyboard. Windows will prompt, click on the yes button. This will open a separate window with admin privilege. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.